So guys, how are you all doing today? So I decided to show you guys what I'm going to be cooking for today. So yeah, I'm going to just roast some chicken. I'm going to make like a chicken roast and rice for supper. So that's the chicken. More prepared. Here you go into the grill. And here as well, I also got some chicken breast. Lightly marinated. Yeah, so I think this year I'm gonna make a nice chicken curry with that, and some more protein, roast meat. So this is what we're having for today in the yard with Lloyd. Peace. Alright, so we need to now work on chicken. Okay, I'm gonna just add a bit of salt in there, and it's all done. Okay, guys. So I'm now preparing preparing the onions and tomatoes. Just clean up my space here. We have it clean. Yeah, let's get it. Alright, that's my favorite bowl. Let's sit down. Alright, favorite cutting board. Onions ready. Just got my small knife. Just cut it through. Chopping up some onions. I'm just gonna put as much as I can into the meal possible. Yeah. I just hope your viewers just enjoy cooking show with Lloyd. Some onion and all of it. Let's use. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, my eyes are starting to water. Okay, next up, some of my ingredients, some tomatoes and some green peppers as well. Just chop up the green peppers real quick. I love me some green peppers. They just give the food that extra flavor. Let's get rid of all these seeds. Now I can go wash out. Okay guys, my knives are really gone blunt, so I want to do another video where I sharpen them using a whetstone. So I hope that you will enjoy that. Make this real quick. Alright, green pepper's done. Got me some tomatoes here. Just give them a wash. So I'm gonna grate these so it's a bit softer. Slow. Okay. Just peel up the potato. Right. These are nice homegrown tomatoes. Homegrown tomatoes, nice and fresh. We just buy them from our local vending ladies. Just nice. See, so these here I'm going to grate them. Use my grater there. Just going to grate them up. this on the plate. Nice and easy. So I don't take too long. And start with the gravy. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, so I'm done with my tomatoes here. Yes. Some birds out there, beautiful birds in our yard. Nice day. Okay, so we're done. It's there. Okay, perfect. So that's what I'm going to add into my mix. Okay. Alright guys, now it's time to make the curry. Okay, here's the pan. So this is the pan that I hooked up. I'm going to add now my cooking oil and all the other ingredients. Okay. Let's see, just put a drop of oil in there. There we go. Right. My wife says I use, and she is right. I like to cover the pan. It's not as much oil as one, just how much oil is possible, but this is okay. Well, let's get cracking. Turn on the power. There you go. So let's just let this heat up. So I think I'm gonna go in with some onions and peppers, and then I'm gonna bring the meat in. No, I'm gonna just bring in the meat now. I know guys, I like to fry my meat first. Nice and crispy. Just comment in the comment section. Let me know how you, ladies and gentlemen, do your curries. I'm eating there. These babies here. They're really nice and toast. Coming up nice and good. behind me, when I'm almost done. Look at that. Look at that. Right. That was asked him to fry till it's golden brown. Probably not to the golden brown. And then I will actually and then I will add my onions, my green peppers, and then lastly the gravy. Coming up. In those onions, now the smell. And also a bit of coming through. Right, I'm gonna add a little bit of cup of my oil. Some oil with you. Really good. Splash it all. And you just mix this up a little bit. Real good. This is my first time adding green peppers to my curry. So can I call it curry or just a plain spicy. And then back to out of it. Just keep mixing it until it's well cooked. Sprinkle of salt, just a little bit. Just sprinkle. And smell the flavors coming through, especially the green pepper. You don't have to add this, just something that I prefer when I do my cooking. Onion is now cooked. You can get it raw. Please don't turn it on. So I'll let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on a high heat, and then I just let cook on high heat for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just add a bit of water and it's done. Sorted. Okay, look at the color, isn't that lovely? Look at it. Let's just check up on my roasted chicken. Ooh, look at those bad boys. Ooh, those are cooked to perfection. So just turn up the heat there. Right. Voila. Ooh. Ain't that nice, guys? So we've got roast chicken done. And I can maybe come in. And then after this, I'm going to do the rice. Small pot of rice over here. Just going to wash it in the sink. And this is done. I'll get back to you guys once the whole meal is done, whole meal prep is done. Maybe I'll take a picture and serve it. Right guys, so in the yard with Lloyd. This is a cooking session in my home today. Alright, so we'll just catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. So here's my, so guys, so now I'm doing the rice. So for a small pot like this, I just take and we cook 2.5 cups of rice. There we go. Look at how that's coming. I've also added a little bit of salt to it and a bit of water, and that's simmering down nicely. Just put the lid back on. Okay, so I'm gonna have my rice. So just putting the rice in. These are basic steps. Guys, comment in the comment section. Let me know how you cook your rice, what you do, your steps. Do you wash your rice first? Do you cut it up? Make some yellow color. And only do just rinse it out so the water is clear. See how the color has changed. So only on the third or fourth. And as you can see now, water is nice and clean, decent. I'm going to add a bit of salt. And let that cook nicely. Here we go. there you have it, guys. The rice. Look at that chicken just lovely coming up. It's just boiling. I've turned down the heat so it should simmer. Turn the water's out. Alright. So I'm done with the prep part, and then join me later when we dish up our food. Alright, thanks. Oh, so here we got the rice going. Just finished a short workout. It's my first workout this year, gym session. Did a bit of a warm up. Sorry, actually didn't forget. I forgot to film that. But, you know, it's just been procrastinating for some time. Here we go. So the rice is coming up. Let's just give it a stir. Let's see. Okay. Looks like it's nice and soft. So I normally let it boil till the water, you know, finishes. But this time I like to cook it when it's just almost done. Then I'll take it out and I'll strain it. So I cook it till it's a little bit soft, tad bit, half cooked, and then I remove the water, I strain it, and I put it back on the pot to steam. Okay. So I strained out that excess water. I put the pot back on. Alright, so there's that little, just see a bit of water at the bottom. So I'm going to leave that on. Let that steam. So that will cause the rice to fluff up as I just quickly reduce the heat. Okay, and then just let that steam. Okay, so I'm done with the rice. By the way, I was cooking basmati. Look how fluffy it is. Sorry about the poor angled camera angle, but yeah, so I'm done. Okay, so the meals are done. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Like